Hello, dear viewers, who has ever wondered how to grow a pineapple in the comfort of their home?
Well, you're not alone, and today I'm going to show you how to do just that. What you need is a fresh pineapple. Take a clean chopping knife. Carefully cut off the top of the pineapple, about an inch or so from the top. Now, make sure to save this part, as it's going to be your new plant's crown. Next up, take a small bowl and fill it with water. Now, carefully place your pineapple crown in the bowl and let it soak for about 10 minutes. After this initial soaking, place it on a plate and let it dry for about 30 minutes. During this time, make sure to turn the pineapple crown every 5 minutes. This will help it dry evenly. Once your pineapple crown is dry and well ventilated on all sides, find yourself a cool and dark spot in your home where the temperature stays between 65–75 F 18–20 C. Place the dried crown into a jar or container filled with water. Remember to keep it covered so that no insects can get into it. The perfect spot for this is next to a window where it can receive natural light, but not direct sunlight. You should water your pineapple every few days as needed. In approximately 18 months or so, give or take, you should see new leaves sprouting from your plant. A final word of caution: remember that growing any plant indoors can be challenging due to factors like humidity, air circulation, and light exposure. So keep an eye on your new plant and adjust accordingly if necessary. And always remember, patience is key. That's all for today's fun science experiment. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun science experiments like this one. Until next time, happy growing!